Hello, Ryan Colcord, Realtor with Marples and Associates. I'm here at 1361 Tiffany Drive. Let's go take a look. It is furnished at the moment, but I don't know if that's going to stay. I have to look into that. I believe this will be emptied out. So you walk in, beautiful flooring. You get the dining area. Oh. You got the kitchen. Nice island. Get the butler pantry over there. You get your family room. You got the nice backyard area here. The fans covered. 3 fans, 3 lights, really nice. Peaceful, quiet. You got the family room here. Got half bath. Laundry room. Laundry room has a sink. It's always nice. You got the garage. 2-car garage. Coming up the stairs. It's got an open area there, a little built in here. You had a bedroom here. Primary here. Primary bath. Large walk-in closet. You got bedrooms 3 and 4. Big rooms. Walk-in closet for this room as well. Another bath here. Shower over tub. Dual sinks. Get your last bedroom here. This one has an outdoor sitting area, which is very nice. Kind of like a bonus room. It is a room, but set up as a game room now. Again, looking down. That's it, 1361 Tiffany Drive in Brentwood, the Rose Garden community. Contact me to schedule a viewing.